My name is Simone Jordan. I'm 52 years old. I descend from the Wiradjuri people that come from a place called Tarawina, just west of the Warrumbungle Mountains. I've grown up on Awabakal country and Worimi country. I have 2 daughters and 3 grandchildren. I completed a bowel cancer screening test because I believe that it's not something that we talk about very often. It is a personal thing, but to test yourself and know that you don't have that gives you real peace of mind, and it also provides options around treatment if you catch it early enough, rather than get down the track and have something that's already established itself as an illness.
Bowel cancer is a tumour of the bowel, of the intestines, that can actually result in bowel obstructions, causing bowel changes, bleeding from the bowel, and also can spread everywhere and cause death, unfortunately. So a bowel cancer screening test is a test we use to help us look for blood in the poo. When you get blood in the poo, that means that there could be a pre-cancer that's happening there, or commonly called a polyp, and that allows us to test for that, and we can do something about that straight away before it becomes a cancer. If you're feeling hesitant about doing the bowel screening test, don't. It's simple, private, and it can save your life.
For something that only takes a couple of minutes to do, I want to be around to watch my grandchildren grow up, and I want to see their children. And I think it's something that when we're at this age, we get a little bit complacent because we still feel young, but we are susceptible to certain illnesses. And if we take that 5 minutes just to check, it can save your life and someone else's if you share that experience. And I want those kids to know that I cared enough for them to be able to do those little things along the way.